ତୁମେ ପାଗଳ ହୋଇ ଯାଇଛ କି? Have you gone nuts? Have you gone nuts? ସେ ମୋ ଜୀବନକୁ ନଷ୍ଟ କରିଦେଲେ। She ruined my life. She ruined my life. ତାଙ୍କୁ ଅସମ୍ମାନ କର ନାହିଁ। Don't discredit him. Don't discredit him. ଆପଣ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କିପରି ଅନୁଭବ କରୁଛନ୍ତି? How do you feel now? How do you feel now? ରାତି ସାରା ବର୍ଷା ହେଲା। It rained all night long. It rained all night long. ମୋତେ ଭୁଲ ବୁଝ ନାହିଁ। Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. ମୋତେ ଆଉ କଲ୍ କର ନାହିଁ। Don't call me again. Don't call me again. ତୁମେ ମୋତେ ତାଙ୍କ ଘରକୁ ନେଇପାରିବ କି? Could you take me to his house? Could you take me to his house? ତାଙ୍କୁ ଘରୁ ବାହାର କରିଦିଆଯାଇଛି। He has been turned out of the house. He has been turned out of the house. ମୁଁ ଏହା କହି ନାହିଁ। I did not say this. I did not say this. ମୁଁ ଠିକ୍ ସେଠାରେ ଥିବି। I will be right there. I will be right there. ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ମୋର କଥା ଦେଇଛି। I have given him my words. I have given him my words. କେବଳ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କର ଏବଂ ଦେଖ। Just wait and watch. Just wait and watch. ମୁଁ ଶୀଘ୍ର ଫେରି ଆସିବି। I will be back soon. I will be back soon. ଏହି ମୂଲ୍ୟରେ ବିକ୍ରୟ କରିବା ଅସମ୍ଭବ ଅଟେ। It is impossible to sell at this price. It is impossible to sell at this price. ତୁମେ ମୋଟାମୋଟି ଭଲ କରିଛ। You did fairly well. You did fairly well. ସେ ମୋତେ ବଞ୍ଚିବା କଷ୍ଟକର କଲେ। He made me difficult to live. He made me difficult to live. ଏହା ବିଷୟରେ ଚିନ୍ତା କରିବା ମଧ୍ୟ ଭୟଙ୍କର ଅଟେ। It's even awful to think about. It's even awful to think about. ସେ ମୋ କଥା ଶୁଣେ ନାହିଁ। He does not listen to me. He does not listen to me. ଘର ଦେଇ ଏକ ଗମନାଗମନ ଅଛି। There is a passage through the house. There is a passage through the house. ତୁମର ଅଧ୍ୟୟନରେ ଧ୍ୟାନ ଦିଅ। Concentrate on your studies. Concentrate on your studies. ଏଠାରେ ଅନେକ ଲୋକ ଅଛନ୍ତି। There are many people here. There are many people here. ଆପଣ କାମ କ'ଣ କରନ୍ତି? What do you do for work? What do you do for work? ମୋର ଫୋନ୍ କେଉଁଠାରେ ଅଛି? Where is my phone? Where is my phone? ତୁମେ ମୋ ପାଇଁ ଏହା ପଢ଼ିପାରିବ କି? Can you read this for me? Can you read this for me? ଆପଣ ଜାଣନ୍ତି କି ଏହାର ମୂଲ୍ୟ କେତେ? Do you know how much it costs? Do you know how much it costs? ମୁଁ ଇଂରାଜୀ ବହୁତ ଭଲ କୁହେ ନାହିଁ। I don't speak English very well. I don't speak English very well. ତୁମେ ମୋତେ ଅନୁଗ୍ରହ କରିପାରିବ କି? Can you do me a favor? Can you do me a favor? ତୁମର ଆଉ କିଛି ଦରକାର କି? Do you need anything else? Do you need anything else? ଆପଣ ଲଣ୍ଡନ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି କି? Have you been to London? Have you been to London? ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଶୁଣିପାରୁ ନାହିଁ। I can't hear you. I can't hear you. ମୋର ଇଂରାଜୀ ଅଭ୍ୟାସ କରିବା ଆବଶ୍ୟକ। I need to practice my English. I need to practice my English. ମୁଁ ଏକ ଅଟୋ ଭଡ଼ା କରିବାକୁ ଚାହେଁ। I would like to rent a auto. I would like to rent a auto. ଏହି ବସ୍ଟି ମୁମ୍ବାଇ ଯାଏ କି? Is this bus to Mumbai? Is this bus to Mumbai? ଆପଣ କେଉଁ ସମୟରେ ଶୋଇବାକୁ ଗଲେ? What time did you go to sleep? What time did you go to sleep? ମୁମ୍ବାଇକୁ ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ବସ୍ କେତେବେଳେ ଅଛି? When is the next bus to Mumbai? When is the next bus to Mumbai? ତୁମର କିଛି ଶସ୍ତା ଅଛି କି? Do you have anything cheaper? Do you have anything cheaper? ଆପଣ ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି ଏହା ସମ୍ଭବ କି? Do you think it's possible? Do you think it's possible? ସେ ଏହାକୁ ବହୁତ ପସନ୍ଦ କରନ୍ତି। He likes it very much. He likes it very much. ତୁମେ କେତେ ଉଚ୍ଚ? How tall are you? How tall are you? ମୁଁ ଖାଇବା ସମାପ୍ତ କରିନାହିଁ। I have not finished eating. I have not finished eating. ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି ଏହା ବହୁତ ଭଲ। I think it's very good. I think it's very good. ଆପଣ ପ୍ରାୟ ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ ଯାଆନ୍ତି କି? Do you go to Delhi often? Do you go to Delhi often? ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ମୁଁ 6ଟାରେ ଉଠେ। Every day I get up at 6 a.m. Every day I get up at 6 a.m. ମୋର ମୁଣ୍ଡ ବଥା ହେଉଛି। I have a headache. I have a headache. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ କିଛି ଦେଖାଇବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି। I want to show you something. I want to show you something. ଦୟାକରି ଏହାକୁ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ। Please write it down. Please write it down. ସେ ବସ୍ ଯୋଗେ କାମ କରିବାକୁ ଯାଆନ୍ତି। He goes to work by bus. He goes to work by bus. ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ଏବଂ ସ୍ପଷ୍ଟ ଭାବରେ କୁହ। Speak slowly and clearly. Speak slowly and clearly. ଦୟାକରି ଏଠାରେ ବସ ଏବଂ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କର। Please sit here and wait. Please sit here and wait. ଆମେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରତି ରବିବାର ଦେଖୁ। We see them every Sunday. We see them every Sunday. ଉପରେ ତୁମର ନାମ ଲେଖ। Write your name at the top. Write your name at the top. ସେ ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ଅଫିସକୁ ଯାଆନ୍ତି। He goes to office every day. He goes to office every day. ସେ ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ଅପରାହ୍ନରେ ପହଁରନ୍ତି। He swims every afternoon. He swims every afternoon. ପୃଥିବୀ ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଚାରିପଟେ ବୁଲୁଛି। The earth goes round the sun. The earth goes round the sun. ସେ ଏହି ଗୀତକୁ ଭଲ ପାଆନ୍ତି। She loves this song. She loves this song. ବିଲେଇମାନେ ଅନ୍ଧାରରେ ଦେଖନ୍ତି। Cats see in the dark. Cats see in the dark.